They have Clinique's Happy. Wow. For $30. This is the 1 ounce. Okay, girl. That's good, I think. I like the fragrance. They also have this Pink Friday Nicki Minaj. They had the blue jeans. Oh, they have a lot of the Thank You Next for $22. See right here, Thank You Next, Thank You Next. I have a little Dolce & Gabbana, $40 for not even an ounce. That's kind of crazy, because you could find the big bottle on a discounted website for like $50. Mini Paris Hilton, a Spider-Man. Like, who's making these perfumes? Last time I saw the Lightning McQueen one, it was crazy. Okay, so they have $15, 1.7 ounce for the can. That's pretty good. They have a Kim Kardashian one. I remember her logo. Okay, more cans. Calvin Klein. Oh, how cute are these? Look, they have the little yellow ones from Mariah Carey. Remember how there's a purple one I know, and then this little one. It's called Honey, and it's only $8. That's kind of cute. It's a 0.5 ounce. And then Paris Hilton in the back. See a J-Lo glow in the back. Look, 50 cent. Vince Camuto for men. I think it's a men's one. This is cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. I could get this for my nail brushes. I have this Vince Camuto one. Okay, now let's go back to the second row. And let's start here. Oh look, that's the Kim Kardashian one that I couldn't recognize last time. Euphoria for men by Calvin Klein, and it is $27. Okay. Isn't this, girl, is this not a movie, or am I tripping out? Top Gun with Nicolas Cage? I could be wrong, I don't know. Another Kim Kardashian one. This is like a honeybee one. Oh, look, the Sarah Jessica Parker perfume that everybody loves, but I just cannot stand. Another Clinique. Kim Kardashian. They have Hugo Boss for men. Some more of the Cliniques. Oh, okay, girl, look, this is new. I've never seen Coach here. This is Coach Open Road. $37 for men. I'm pretty sure this is a men's one. It looks like a men's packaging. Hopefully it is. Oh, look, they have Burberry Touch for men. They came in clutch for the men, and it's only $25. Till this day, I will always forever be mad that they price women's perfumes more than men, even new ones. So, like, what's up with that? And same ounces and everything. I don't like that. They have a Vince Camuto, a little body spray of Nicki Minaj in the back. Tommy. Oh, look, the red one. They scratched off the price, girl. But this is the Guess Red. Oh yeah, it's $20. $20. They have Viva La Juicy in the back, of course. Keith Cole. Can. We have a lot of Ariana's. Look, this one is Sweet Like Candy. We have Sweet Like Candy for $20. That's a really good deal. Oh, look, they have a Dolly one. Tennessee Sunset for $13, and it's a 1.7 ounce. That's really good, actually. Last time I saw them at Walmart, and they were way more than that. But I have heard that they don't smell as nice. I don't know, girl. I haven't tested it out myself. Another one of the Mariah Carey ones, but it's the red one. You just can't see it because it's kind of scratched up the box, but it's a red one. This one's called Mine Again. Oh, look, here she is in the back. At the bottom, they have more of the Guess Red. They have Sweet Like Candy. Oh, look, they have the Vince Camuto Fiore. I've heard good things about that one. And they also have Ari, just regular Ari. These are usually always $20, so yeah, 20. Anyways, okay, they have this one called, oh, this is Banana Republic Wild Bloom. How much is it, girl? I'm always interested in the Banana Republics because I've had good experiences with them. I'm gonna check out the notes for this one right now, so maybe I'll get that one. Okay, Vince Camuto. Oh, I've never seen this before. This is my girl Paris, and this is a 4.2 ounce for $20. I've never heard of Dazzle. I'm gonna look up the notes too, because when I see some that I've never seen before, because you guys know they always bring the same ones back and stuff, but I've never seen those two, so I'm gonna check those out. Ooh, Share 70s Couture for $10. Makes me holla. Mont Blanc, but these are the men's. They have a lot of Aries in the bottom. See, all that is Ariana Grande. Oh, look, little gem here, because this one is never here, but this one is $25. It's still a great deal. Cloud is more rare to come across. You always come across Sweet Like Candy and Ari, but never Cloud. And right now they have one Cloud. This is where I found mine here as well. They have them in the bottom, so you can see them. There's 2, 3. Damn, they fucking locked them up. Who was stealing? They locked him up, y'all. That is rude. I guess not, because people open them. But it's such a small selection. You can see a Vera Wang, Calvin Klein. Okay.
They don't want you smelling anything.
Versace Diamond. This is well, no. Oh wait, I know that box. No, I don't. It looked like the Carolina box, but it's Elizabeth. Okay, well, nothing really exciting. I don't think so. The only thing that caught my eye was this, the Victor and Rolf little box here, but I don't know what it is because I can't see. There's something blocking it, but I feel like it might be, if it is perfume, it's probably a sampler kit with maybe like little mini ones. Quien sabe? So I can't see it. But they do have some Arianas. I think I smelled the BodyMist. Oh, look at here. It's a mini J'adore. How cute. By Dior.
And that one actually smells good.
It does. I can't see the price, but that's cute. I mean, that's new. I feel like this is the most they've had since last year. They used to not have anything at all. Okay, girls, so for this part, I'm doing a voiceover because it was really loud at Ross, but they really didn't have that many fragrances. Okay, so this is the selection that they had. It was pretty empty. The last time I came, they had way more, but they had a little Vince Camuto set. They had Midnight Fantasy, a Little Mermaid. They had some JLo Glow, you know, the usuals. This one right here was a cute packaging. It was called Poppy. And in the back, they had Rose Rush, which I'm actually interested, but I don't know what it smells like, and I'm a little scared it might be a little too rosy. They also had a Jennifer Lopez perfume for $12, which is really good, and the JLo Glow that's always everywhere. And they had this 1 ounce for $10. A great deal, girl. Like, honestly, 1 ounces are amazing when you can find them under $10, girl. That's a steal. Some Calvin Klein, some Kim Kardashian. And that one, girl, I don't even know. There was a lot of random ones that I personally just didn't recognize. And then, you know, the basic ones. This Couture La one. And then this is the only one that I was like, ooh, girl. This is Couture La Malibu from the Malibu line from Juicy Couture. And it was only $15. But look, empty, girl. I even went to the other side, but they only had like a couple of men's sets. And that was it, girl. Nothing to see here. Okay, girls, so I decided that I was gonna end my little TJ Maxx Ross type of vibe video here with my camera. So if the audio is better, it's because it's on my camera. I really hate that I can't film. I probably should. It's because I don't do them that often, and I'm like, should I get a little camera for when I go out? Like, I totally would, but cameras are hella expensive, girl. And for me to just do these videos like once a month, once every couple months, I feel like I need to calm down. Maybe I'll save up for a camera, and maybe so that the audio won't be too bad. But sometimes it sucks because I have to do voiceovers because they have music and I'm gonna get copyrighted and all that stuff, which is one thing I hate about YouTube is like girl, obviously the song doesn't belong to me. Like, we just want to like jam out, we just want to hear some music together, girl. Like, I wish I could show you guys playlists of what I listen to, but no, because YouTube thinks that I'm stealing the song. Like, girl, calm down, it's not that serious. But anyways, so this is I'm gonna show you guys the perfume that I ended up getting from those stores, girl. I didn't end up getting like the one that I was talking about, the Banana Republic, or the other one was Dazzle, which I didn't know what the box looked like. That's why I was like, I've never seen that one. But I didn't end up getting it because I didn't want to risk it. Some of the reviews were not the best reviews, so I was like, I'm just gonna skip. But what I did end up getting was none other than Couture La Malibu. Now, girl, this was only, like I said in the video, this was only $15. Makes me holla, girl. I absolutely love when I find these Juicy Couture perfumes, because they're always like 15 bucks, 12 bucks. This one is the this is the 1.3 ounce, and I love finding these. I've found the Juicy Couture regular Malibu. I really wish I could find the Malibu Surf. I found the Hollywood Royal, which is the same collection, like the little bottles. So you know how to get it, girl. Anyway, the last one I found was the Bye Bye Blues, and I love that one too. So let's open it. I haven't smelled it, so we're gonna smell it on camera, girl. So this is what the box looks like. It is hot pink and like a little sunset. It's Juicy Couture. The little California vibes going on here, little Malibu. So let's look up the notes, because I honestly don't even look up the notes. I just grabbed it because I was like, limited edition Juicy Couture. I've never seen this one actually. Imagine I just grabbed the same one that I already own. No, the one that I have is orange, so I know the difference between the boxes. This perfume is citrusy, fresh, sweet, aquatic, and green. Some of the comments are saying that it smells like a little fruity cocktail, but let's go ahead and see what it smells like. Ooh, the bottle is so cute. I love it. The bottle, isn't it so cute? It's a little pink. It's just like the orange one, but this one's pink. So cute. Nothing like a nice new clear gem, because mine already looks all dusty. Anyways, let's go ahead and smell it. Here we go. I'm gonna spray it. I feel like this is very tropical. The audio must have been a little botched right there because my microphone was all the way over there, but it definitely opens up super fruity. Now this one I feel like is a more calm and sweeter version of the Malibu, the original, the orange bottle, but I do like it. I think it's very nice and very fun, especially for spring and summertime. This is when I like to wear them a little more. But yes, nothing to complain about. For $13, I will always take the risks to buy my little limited editions. You only find them here and there bottles, because I think it's worth it. Personally, for me as a Juicy Couture collector that I like collecting them, I think it's worth it, and I'll always buy them. Yeah, very fruity, very fresh. I like it. Let's put some lipstick on. This has been like my go-to lipstick, like everyday, casual, whatever. Girl, look, it's a MAC lipstick. I found it at TJ Maxx, girl, for $8. Can you believe that? I remember when these came out, like, I like MAC products and I love their blushes. Those are my favorite blushes. But the lipsticks, I like them as well, but I never really buy the lipsticks. I buy the blushes mostly, and they're so nice. They feel super velvety, like literally feels like velvet. And I found two colors. I don't know where the other one is because this one's been my favorite, but it's also like a deep burgundy reddish type of color. Super pretty for $8, girl. It was a great deal when I went that time. I also saw some Kat Von D ones because I love these type of like neutral toned color, pinky rose, dusty rose kind of lipsticks for my lipstick color of choice. That's usually my go-to. Those are all my lipsticks that I own, and even though they're the same color, I love buying different like brands and stuff just to test them out. My other favorite signature lip color is from Kat Von D Beauty or KVD Beauty, and it's the Lolita, the original. And I have it, like, I've had it in the liquid lipstick, in the lipstick bullet form, and they also have it in a lip gloss, and they have a lot of things for Lolita because like this color is very popular with a lot of people, and I feel like it suits any skin tone color, but
anyways. They also had KVD Beauty liquid lipsticks in the Lolita. I didn't get it because I feel like the liquid lipstick is a little too drying for me. I like the bullet lipstick, and then they also had it in a lip gloss, but I'm not the biggest fan of lip gloss, so I didn't get it. But yeah, today when I went, they had some Morphe stuff and some Kat Von D. They also had some Pat McGrath, girl. I was shook that was there. But anyways, I should do like a little makeup haul when I buy them. When I buy my makeup, I love going to see what they have there. But anyways, I hope you girls enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like this one, if you have it, if you've ever seen it in your store. I remember back in the day when I wasn't into perfumes, I would always still look at them. And one time I remember always seeing the I think it's called the Wee something, the red one with the pink, and I never got it for 25 bucks. And now I want it. Now that I collect these damn perfumes, I want it, and I've never seen it ever since then. And I'm just like, girl. But anyways, I had fun going to the store. I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna go now. I'll see you guys in my next video.